Students, now we will see question number 12 of exercise 11.3 of class 7th maths. So let us see the question first. Okay, the question is the circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Now circumference is already given to us. See, the value of circumference C is given 31.4 centimeter. Now further, find the radius and the area of the circle. We have to find out area and radius. So these both we have to calculate. Take pi equal to 3.14. Now this is the value of pi. So we are going to use this value. Now let us see the solution part. So first of all, circumference is given 31.4. So using this information, okay, we will get this both. So solution part will be like this. Circumference of the circle is given, so that is equal to 31.4 centimeter. Now we know that the formula for circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So in place of this circumference we will write its formula. So 2 pi r is equal to 31.4. Okay, C is given 31.4, and what is C? Formula for circumference. So that is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 31.4. Now with the help of this we will get equation for r, means radius. So what you need to do is put the value in this formula. So it is 2 pi r equal to 31.4. So we have to find out this r. Okay, so what is pi? Pi value is given 3.14 and this side 31.4. Okay, this side r is not given. Okay, so r we will keep here as it is, and these both will go in the denominator. Okay, so r will be equal to 31.4 and in the denominator 2 into 3.14. Now this is 31.4 and here 2 multiplied by 3.14. So here decimal point is after 2 digit and here decimal point is after 1 digit. So this will be, if you write it in fraction, if you remove decimal and write it in fraction, here it will be 100 and here it will be 10. Okay, so this 100 will go here. I'll show you the calculation part. So if I remove decimal point, you can do it directly also. Okay, but if you are not knowing, then how to do? It is 31.4 और नीचे आपका है 2 times 2 into 3.14, राइट. सो आपको क्या करना है, ये डेसिमल पॉइंट रिमूव करेंगे अगर आप. सो 31.4 है, सो दैट विल बी 314 upon 10. Why 10? Because decimal point is after 1 digit. This is only numerator. Now this upon, now we will do this denominator part. So 2 multiply by, now it is 3.14. So decimal point is after 2 digit, यानी नीचे क्या आएगा 100. So 314 upon 100. So whenever you get like this fraction upon fraction, then what happens, this 100 will go here with the numerator and this 10 will be here in the denominator. So it will be like this. So it will be 314 multiply by 100. जो नीचे 100 था वो ऊपर आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे था 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 314 और यहाँ पे जो 10 था ओके वो आपका नीचे आ जाएगा. नाउ यू कैन डू कैंसलेशन. सो 314 and 314 कैंसल and this 10 cancel. Now 2 ones are and 2 5s are 10. So this way you can do cancellation, or if directly you can shift and adjust the decimal, that way also you can do. So your final answer will be 5 centimeter. So this is our radius. So radius we have got, our radius is 5 centimeter. Now radius is 5 centimeter. Okay, so we can find out area with the help of radius. Now formula for area is pi r square. Okay, so area of circle pi r square. Here 7 is written, printing mistake, this 7 will not come. Okay, it is only pi r square. So area of circle is pi r square. Now pi means 3.14 and r means radius, means 5 square, 5 2 times. So this will be 3.14 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now you need to multiply this 3. After multiplication your answer will be 78.5 centimeter square. Okay, So this will be the area of the circle. Hence the required radius is 5 and area is 78.5 centimeter square. So this will be the solution part of question number 12. Hope you understood.